Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to use backgrounds in Microsoft Teams. First, we'll cover how to use a preset background image. Then we'll look at using a custom background. Start by opening a new meeting in the web or desktop version of Teams. Then toggle on your camera. And click Background Filters. A list of preset backgrounds will appear on the right. Head over and select a background from the list. You can scroll down to find more backgrounds. When you're happy, click X in the top right. Then head down and hit Join Now. To use a custom background, first create or find an image you'd like to use. You can try Pixabay to search for any background. Simply head down and choose an image. Then click Download on the right. And click Download again. Once you've downloaded a background image, open the desktop version of Teams. Check the description for a download link. There, start a meeting and toggle on your camera. Then click Background Filters. Now head over to the list of backgrounds on the right and click Add New. Next, locate and select the image you downloaded. And then click Open. Now that your new background has been added, hit the Join Now button to enter the meeting. That's all for this video. We hope it was helpful. Check the description for additional links and resources. And leave a comment below if you have any concerns or questions. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.